With the barista mode of your Siemens EQ900, you can adjust every detailed aspect of your coffee and get the finest nuances out of your coffee beans for an even better coffee experience. Set up the strength, quantity, share of milk, brewing temperature, contact time, and even the grinding level. Once you have found the perfect settings for your beverage, store it in your personal profile. So, check out the barista mode and get your inspiration every day. Siemens Home Appliances.